All right, so again, what we're going to do, it's more of the same. We're going to graph another equation. We're going to find like 3 points for the quadratic. We should probably try to find the vertex and then 2 other points that are symmetrical. And then plot those 3 points and draw a little U shape through it. Now it's got a negative value for A, right? So is that going to open up or open down? It's going to open down, right? So anyways, let's go into here. We're just going to change our f of x to this current equation, which is negative x squared. And while I'm doing this, you guys could do it too. Get the practice on Desmos. Plus 6x minus 8. Now I've got some numbers in here, but I'm going to change the numbers. It looks like the vertex is at 3, 1. So I'm going to change, well, I don't know what this is. This is 1, negative 3. I'm going to plug in a positive 3, 1. And then it looks like it crosses here at 5. So I'm going to put it in a 5. I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it. All right. Actually, it looks like it crosses here too at 0. So I'm just going to put 0, 0. And then is that 4? Yeah. 4. All right. Wait. 4 equals 0. Or no, I think it's, is it 5 or 6? What is that? 6? Yeah, there we go. 6. Yeah, because it has to be symmetrical, right? And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write those values down, right? So right here, I'm just going to say 3, 1, right? Then when x equals 1, y equals negative 3. When x equals 5, that's a negative 3. When x equals 5, maybe if I zoom in, I can write it a little better. When x equals 5, y equals negative 3 as well. When x equals 0, y equals negative 8. And also when x equals 6, y equals negative 8. Okay. So I'm just going to plot these points. So I'm going to go to 3, 1. That's my vertex, 3, 1. Then when x equals 1, y equals negative 3. Here's another point here. When x equals 5, y equals negative 3. Let me write these down too so I remember. This is 1, negative 3. This is 5, negative 3. Then 0, negative 8. And then 6, negative 8. So we'll say 0, negative 8. And lastly, 6, negative 8. And so when I do this, what I like to do is, if I can, draw the little U shape first. So I'm just going to do the best that I can to try and make it look symmetrical. I always overshoot. Just do the best that you can. That's why it's important to label it. If you wanted a better U shape, you could plot more points, I suppose. And I mean, that's basically it. I'll zoom out so you guys